I firmly believe that it's the business side has a lot to gain from if they can get their arms around all of the data and be able to really see the patterns and get answers to questions or see new kinds of things which they were not able to see before. Like, if you look at, like you brought up, like the chief marketing officer, right, for example, if they were running market campaigns just based on surveys that they did of people, then, the surveys are, doesn't matter when you do it, it's gotten old, right? Surveys, focus groups have been sort of like the traditional ways to figure out what is it that your consumer wants. And while that's good, but now there are other things available that, there may be information about those customers that they are expressing on the social media, for example. So, how do you correlate what they are saying on social media with what has been captured in your own user groups and focus groups, and maybe validate that this is what your data is telling you, this is what the social media is saying. If the two are not kind of lining up, then maybe something has changed about why the customer sentiment maybe have become positive, negative, who knows, right? If something has changed, then it's a good time to say what changed here, because in our user groups, people were talking about, say, this X, Y, or Z. But when we look at social media, they're talking about something completely different. So are we off the, what we are targeting them for? Are we off that? So I think, for business users, really tapping into, because now there are more sources of data that are available to them, to tap into them, to correlate, to really aggregate all these pieces of information, and not just be able to do it like based on data that was collected a month ago or 6 months or a year ago, but be able to also act on the data that they are getting in real time or near real time is important. So I think doing historical analysis, combining that with being able to do real-time analysis makes the whole predictive analytics much more powerful and meaningful.